Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm coming at you barefaced because I'm doing my skincare routine. So I'm 40 years old. I have normal to dry skin during fall and winter, and I have normal to oily skin during the spring and summer. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my skin barefaced. This is what my skin looks like. So yeah, so we're gonna get started in my bathroom. Let's go. Hi everybody, I'm in my bathroom. The first part of my skincare routine is to wash my face with the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. It is for normal to oily skin. Make sure that it is cool water. Start with one pump, my CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. I also wash down my neck. This is my morning routine. My morning skincare routine. I just let my skin dry like this naturally, and then I will move on to my next steps, which I will show you shortly. My face has been freshly washed. Now I'm going to go in to my skincare routine, which is, I use the CeraVe products, skincare products. I use CeraVe's Eye Repair Cream. And that's what I'm gonna apply first. I use a little bit of it, like this much, for both eyes. With my ring finger, I apply it. Just dab it on, and then make sure it sinks in. Next, I will apply my AM CeraVe Facial Moisturizer for AM. I do about 3 pumps for all over my face and my neck. I'm gonna make sure to apply SPF. SPF is very important. Then after my skincare, I'll also apply it on my hands a little bit. After my skincare, I will move on to my makeup, routine. But first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this Vaseline Original Lip Balm, which is something I wear every single day, also to moisturize my lips. I love this Vaseline lip therapy. Okay, and then I love all the products that I'm wearing on my face. They really have helped me out a lot with my skin, so I definitely recommend CeraVe. Foods that I would recommend for healthy glowing skin would be kiwis, because they contain vitamin C, which helps fight off any free radicals the sun produces and gets into your skin. It also helps against wrinkles and sagging skin. Another great fruit would be avocados. Avocados contain vitamin E, which is great for moisturizing your skin. Another fruit and vegetables that I'd recommend would be watermelon, celery, or cucumber, because it is great with their water content. And Water alone is great too for dehydrated skin. It helps prevent dehydrated skin, which you do not want, because as soon as you get dehydrated skin, you get this dull look on your skin that you don't want. You want glowing skin. So in order to get that glowing skin, drink a lot of water. Also, green tea is great. It contains polyphenols, which is a great antioxidant that also helps to prevent or lower down your oil sebum that your body naturally produces. So it is great for acne prone skin. Okay, so I'm here in my bathroom again. I'm done for the end of the night, and I am ready to take off this makeup. This was from my pumpkin spice get ready with me tutorial that I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this makeup. So I have a CC cream on my face by Honest Beauty. I have mascara, and it's not waterproof mascara, which is good, because I find that waterproof mascara is really difficult to remove. That's why I don't use waterproof mascara. But I don't apply it on my bottom lashes either, the mascara, because I find that if I do, it smudges. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start removing my eye makeup with the Cetaphil Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover and a cotton rounds from Equate that I got. They're the just regular cotton rounds, 100 count. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing makeup. I usually leave the cotton round on my eye for like 10 seconds. And then I remove it. And it's that easy. Do the same thing on the other eye. Ten seconds. And start removing. And remove my eyebrow area also. And then I'm going to use the Cetaphil Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover again to remove my lipstick. And I'm going to wash my face with the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser in luke cold water and my neck. And I'm going to double cleanse, so I'm going to use the CeraVe cleanser one more time. The first time was to remove the CC cream. The second time was to cleanse my skin. It's the tinted moisturizer that I was wearing. So I find that washing my face is just fine. It'll remove it. Okay, now that I let my skin dry like 90%, because I do like my skin to stay wet still, so that I can apply the moisturizer and all the products and they sink in nicely that way. For my nighttime skincare routine, it is a little bit more products. So I do have the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream again from the morning time to the night. I use the same eye cream, and I use this much for both eyes. It's a really nice eye cream. Then I apply my CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I apply 2 pumps for my face and my neck. You're supposed to just tap it in to let it absorb on your skin. Put it on my hands too. I wait for it to absorb about a few minutes, like a minute or 2. Okay, I'm back with my nighttime moisturizer. So this is the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I do about 5 pumps of this. I love this. It's very moisturizing, and I need the moisture during the nighttime the most. I only use the serum on my face when it's fall and winter. Then the last thing that I do is that I use the Vaseline Lip Therapy Original Lip Balm. I apply that to my lips. That's it. That's my skincare routine, and I enjoy it. I love doing all these steps, taking care of my skin. It's very important to have it glowing and healthy, and that's part of my skincare, along with eating the right foods and hydrating my skin with a lot of water. So that's very important as well. I hope that my tips help you. Thank you everybody for watching my skincare routine video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to follow me, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.